What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that link in the description for merchandise. Also, don't forget to hit me up on Instagram if you guys want tuck banners or any kind of variety of Tuck the World banners on there. Also, we're about to do a giveaway with this skateboard, a shirt, and also some tuck banners, anyone off the website. So let's get it.
The bodies hit the flow. They want it more. I give them more.
Alright guys, so I got that fuel tank out. I got this side already covered and the other side. I'm gonna go around with a brush and get all the edges and try to do this bed liner to see if it actually works good or not. We're using one from Harbor Freight, truck coating. Basically, I had a bunch of posters and some tape and some other stuff that I used to go around. I did this last night to try to just get an idea what using a brush would do on the edges. I just went one time and that's what I got as far as coverage. So, and it already dried. And then also I wanted to make sure that as far as taking the tape off, it didn't stay and rip the tape, so it worked out good as far as using this. I went to Sutherland's and got this roller that is for, I don't know how you want to say, for tar and stuff like that. And we got these little plastic pieces that just cut them in half. So we're gonna try to roll this and do the edges and see how this Harbor Freight, what, $60, $50 bed liner comes out like. Let's go. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. We're gonna go get some spray cans so that way I can paint the gas tank. The gas tank is gonna be in the bed also. So we'll have the bed liner and then have the gas tank painted. This is the last of it, you guys. Ooh, what you got?
Skateboard.
All right, guys. So this is a skateboard that we made, just messing around. Me and Aaliyah just got done sitting here for like 15-20 minutes, sitting here recording over and over, back to back, a little video for Instagram. So I kept messing up or falling or some shit happened. Aaliyah falling too. Anyways, guys, so I got a giveaway that I'm gonna do for you guys on Instagram. The only way that you gotta enter is tag 3 people, like and share the post. Basically, first place is gonna be for this skateboard right here. Second place is gonna be for one of the Tuck the World shirts that I'm wearing. And also third place is gonna be for any sticker off the website on the Big Cartel. The link is in the description. Let me give you guys a little rundown on this truck. I haven't showed you guys any video footage or anything of it yet, and it came out pretty clean. It's been sitting for about, I would say, 24 hours or so. And then we painted the tank and also did some other stuff with the fuel lines. I had to open these up a little bit, but as far as everything with the truck, with the bed liner, came out clean. Now it matches with the theme. Soon, you guys, I'm gonna post this truck for sale, probably for $7,500. Tail lights are new. We got that kit that BJ had told us about. Door handles, locks, everything's new. The mirrors are on. Everything looks good, painted. The stock wheels, we're gonna change those today, you guys. This is gonna be the last time that we see the truck with the spokes before we post it for sale, because I'm not gonna post it for sale with these wheels. We're gonna change them and put some other ones on. Also, we did do clear turn signals and bumper clears. Also, new grill. I was gonna keep going and get different headlights and stuff, but I went ahead and just left the original look. So I like the way it looks. It looks pretty clean. But for the most part, the truck come together clean, you guys. This is what it looks like with spokes. As far as the paint, there's a few little dents here and there that I missed that were just a little bit harder to see, that I just didn't get. But for the most part, the truck looks clean, you guys. It don't look bad. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Me and Chris changed the rear seal and the fluid in the diff, so that's all replaced. All the bulbs, headlights, taillights, everything, whole rear end, everything's been swapped out. It's got a 4-link and it's bagged, so everything's been swapped out, you guys, so everything's ready to go. Drop a comment what you guys think. Let me know. Oh shit. Aaliyah almost busted her ass.
Y'all better be careful with this skateboard.
Yeah, be careful with that skate. If you guys win this skateboard, please be careful with it, for real. You will bust your ass. Alright guys, well I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. Like I said, if you guys want to check anything out on Instagram, that's where the giveaway is going to be at. Let's get to the house, swap out these wheels.
Looks good.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, can't get it. Go run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.